May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you. May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
Please note to passengers who are maintaining inside the door card.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket. Of our world, Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and careen through the cosmos.
Control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson to the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world. Space Mountain. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel in progress. Inside this rotating theater, whole families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
That's what I mean by like, if I can go to line, get people before you, all over there. Like, when you go to a ride, or stand into one, and be like, oh, well, it's 2 hours. I just go to this.
Attention everyone on the PeopleMover, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. This vehicle will be maker. Ride motion will begin immediately. Thank you.
Yeah, you can still have people. Oh, wow.
More people, I think the way that they lay it out.
Calling all space rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil adversary.
As an honorary space ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy.
May I have your attention? Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will resume motion at any time. Please remain seated for your own safety. Thank you.
Ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy.
Attention everyone on the PeopleMover, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. This vehicle will be maker. Ride motion will begin immediately. Thank you.
So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
Transit Authority Station. Our Grand School tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Enjoy your trip to Tomorrowland.
Exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep your arms away from the doors and remain seated until the doors slide open automatically. Step on the moving platform.